Video 2. Applying for asylum. When you arrive in Italy, go straight to the police to claim asylum. Explain that you are afraid to return to your country. You can do this in your language with the help of a mediator. A mediator is a person that can translate your language or a language that you understand. The police listen to you and give you the address of the immigration office. From the moment in which you speak with the police, you have 8 days to go to the immigration office, which is at the Questura. The Questura is an office of the police. If you do not go to the Questura within 8 days, you are considered irregular in Italy. If you cannot go, you need to explain why. For example, if you are ill, you must send a medical certificate. If you are a woman, you can ask the police for a woman to be present. At the Questura, the police write the form Modello C3. The Modello C3 is a form with your name, surname, your age, your citizenship. The Modello C3 should be filled in within the first 9 days after your asylum claim. Another 10 days may pass if the Questura receives lots of asylum claims. The police ask you questions, and a mediator translates for you. The police want to know about your journey and how you arrived in Italy. If you are married or have children, what is your ethnic group? What is your religion? If you belong to a political party, if you have identity or travel documents with you, and if you have claimed asylum before. You must also explain briefly the reason why you need to claim asylum. You will have time to explain the reasons in more detail when you do the interview with the Commission. When you fill in Modello C3, you also decide in which language you want to do the interview with the Commission. Choose your mother language or a language that you know very well. At the Commission, the interpreter will translate in the language that you choose now at the Questura. Once it is completed, the mediator then rereads the Modello C3. Remember to check that you do not contradict yourself and that your name, surname, date, and place of birth are all correct before you sign the form. If you have documents, it is very important that you show them to the police because these can help you to prove that what you say is true. Before leaving the Questura, don't forget to take a photocopy of your documents and a photocopy of the signed Modello C3. While at the Questura, you can ask the police for a booklet which explains the procedure, your rights and responsibilities. In this booklet, you can find the contact details of refugee rights organisations. You can call them if you need help. In this booklet, you can also read about the legal information services available in the reception centres for asylum seekers. According to the law, this booklet should be written in the language you choose. If this is not possible, you have the right to read the information in English, French, Spanish, or Arabic. According to law, you should receive this information within 15 days of your asylum claim, and you can receive it in your reception centre via a mediator or interpreter. If you are a victim of a serious crime, such as human trafficking, for example, because you were subjected to violence or threats before or after arriving in Italy, or you were tricked and forced into prostitution, exploitative work, or slavery, you have the right to access a social protection program. For more information, listen to audio recording 2, Social Protection Program. If you arrive in Italy with your children, your asylum application also applies to them. On the Modello C3, you declare that your children arrived with you in Italy, and this automatically means that you make an asylum claim also for them. The procedure is different if you have travel documents with you or if you do not. If you have documents, the police want to know where you are going to live. If you change house or city, you must tell the Questura. If you have documents, but you do not have a house nor money, you can ask for accommodation for you and your family. The police ask you to sign a form in which you declare that you do not have a house nor money. In this case, the Prefettura must respond to your request. The Prefettura is the office that decides on your accommodation. If it is possible to accommodate you, you enter the reception system for asylum seekers and refugees, which is called the SPRA. If you do not have identity or travel documents, the procedure is different. You go to a reception centre for asylum seekers, which is called CARA. The police give you a piece of paper with the address of the centre and the reason why you have to go there. Look after this paper because it is your temporary residence permit. If you are considered dangerous, you get sent to an identification and expulsion centre, a CIA. The CIA is a detention centre. Detention in a CIA centre means that you do not have the freedom to leave. For more information, listen to audio recording 3, Detention in CIA. If you get sent to a CIA, the police have to give you an attestato nominativo, a piece of paper that is neither a residence permit nor an identity document. The police send all official letters to the address of the SPRA, the CARA, or the CIA centre where you are staying.